Close your. Jackie, do you want to take a shower? Go. Come. Jackie, come. Okay, Tommy. Done? Finish? Go. Go take a shower. Go ahead. You're a good boy. Go ahead. That's it? Okay, go up. Up. Go up. Come on, go up. Go up. Good boy. Come on, go up. Jackie, Tommy, go up. Come on. Good boy. Go ahead. Up. Go ahead. Go up. Yeah. Send Jackie down. You go upstairs. Huh? Finish taking shower? Yes, you good boy. Take a shower? Yes. Are you good boy? Yes. What? Come on, let's go. Yes. You good boy? Yeah, you took a shower. That's good. But you messed up all my floor. And Daddy's gonna get very upset. Yes. Jackie, come. Take a shower. Come on. That's it? Done? Good boy. Yes. Jackie, please come and take a shower. Jackie, come and take a shower. Come on, let's go. Take a shower. Jackie, go take a shower. Tommy took a shower already. Come on, let's go. Mommy has to clean the floor. You see, you messed up all the floor. Come here. Come on, let's go. Jackie, you don't want to take a shower? No? Tommy, you feel cold? Ooh, you feel cold. Alright. See you later. Done? Shake it. Shake the body. Shake it. You good boy? Good boy? Yes? Good boy? Yes? Jackie, go take a shower. What? What? You good boy? What? Yeah, good baby. Bye. See you later. Bye. Yes? You could eat the sunflower. Yes, good boy. You're a good boy, okay? Yes.